everyone, I'm Hilary Chin. Thank you so much for coming and watching. Today we are going to be looking at a very important AI tool that has been designed to ease your work so far as Kobotoolbox Survey is concerned. We are going to be using a simple Word document to design some questionnaires, put it inside this KOBOGTP, and that AI tool would design your questionnaire for you. Okay, just follow the simple steps that I'm about to show you. This has made designing forms so easy. Remember, AI came here to make our work easy. That's why we have AI. So let's jump in so I show you what I mean. So of course, we are starting. So here, this is the Kobo chat or KOBOGPT platform where we are going to upload our doc. So here you can upload document here, having questions like PDF, docs, docx, XLS, XLSX, or text file. Okay, so we are going to first of all go here to this ChatGPT platform and say, please create a questionnaire targeting out of school children. Okay, where we want to distribute school supplies like books, bags, pens. Make this question 6 in number. Are you getting now? So AI responds as best as you can make a prompt. Okay, so let's just click. Okay, so now ChatGPT want to create us a questionnaire. Okay, when it creates that questionnaire, you see it is creating the questionnaire for us. So now we have 6 questionnaires. The first one says, how old are you? Have you ever attended school before? If yes, for how many years did you attend school? You know, so this is already a skip logic we are seeing here, right? What is the main reason you are not currently in school? What school supply do you need? You see, so these are different options. Select all that apply. So this is select many, right? Multiple choices or select multiple options. Then would you like to receive school supplies today? This is select one. Perfect. So we have an amazing question here. Okay, we are going to copy this question and then we bring it inside our Word document here, and we click Ctrl V and we paste it here. And I'm not going to do anything really big. I'll just cancel this last statement, and then I go to the first statement here. I'm also going to cancel this last statement. Okay, and I'll save this file. It is saved as questions. Okay, let's bring it into our system now. So right here, I'll just go to KOBOGPT and then I'll select the file. Right, it's in the form of doc, and this is the file questions, and I click and I select the file. So once I select this file, you see what is happening? So it is creating the question for me. I just need to stand and wait. You see? So it says AI is analyzing your document and creating survey questions. Are you getting now? So they say your Excel elements form has been generated successfully. So I'm going to come here to this Excel now, export to Excel now. I'm going to click. When I click here, it shows up here and I double click. Okay, so this is in our Excel file. Okay, and if you have not watched our video on how to design questionnaire using XML file, please just go at the top of this video. You will see that video there and you watch. So you see, automatically without you doing anything, this is what AI does for you. Okay, it identifies. Remember that when you create your questions, you have 3 sheets. You have a survey, choices, and certain sheets. So it creates that for you, give the data type, comes with the name, give the label, this is what will be appearing in our form, and then gives you the hints, gives you whether it's required or not, give the relevance, and then creates a constraint. It says if, how old are you, if this question equals to 0, and if it is equals to 0. And if we go to the choices here, you would see that the constraint is already designed there. Let me see. Here it says list name. This list name means is multiple choices. Okay, either selecting one or selecting many. So it brings, you see, bags, books. You see what happens here. So these are the different options that it designs according to the question that you gave. So this is the media image that is here. If possible, we put that for you. So you see all this. If we go to that question and tell AI to please give us an image or a media, it will give it to us. So these are the constraints. Please enter a value between 0 and 220. So this is a constraint. So let's see how this constraint will behave. Let's just save this same file. So it says professional assessment survey form. Okay, let's go and then upload this file into our Kobotoolbox and see what happens. So on our Kobotoolbox file, all we do, we click new and then we say upload the XML form, and then we come here and we choose, and then we come here and we choose. This is the questionnaire that AI created for us, and that is it. It's creating it for us, uploading the file. So we simply come, this is the name, professional assessment survey form that AI gave us, and we'll just put demo in the place of description. Okay, and then we come here and we choose we say it's education, and then we can choose Cameroon, and then we choose that file, and then we click create project. Okay, wow, you see guys, our form is ready. So I'll come here and I preview this form, and then we look at the questions that we gave, or that AI gave us. Okay, you see, that is it guys, that is it. Very simple. The first one, name of the respondent, how old are you, now have you ever attended school, option 1. So if I choose this option, or I choose this option, or I choose this option, you say if yes, for how many years did you attend school? So now you see that AI has gap here. So now AI could not give us a skip logic, clear skip logic, because normally I would love that if have you ever attended school before, yes or no. And if you choose yes, then this question appears. You choose no, then the question doesn't appear. Okay, so these are some of the gaps that you can have in the course of designing your form so far as AI is concerned. So I can go here now into the form builder, and I begin to build. Have you ever attended school? And then I come here now, and then I put, maybe I delete this first question, and then I come here and I put yes, and then I come here and I put no. Are you see now? And then I save my form. And then I come here now and I only make if yes, how many years did you attend? And then I go into this questionnaire as usual guys, and then I go to skip logic. Okay, and then I go here and then I select that question that says have you ever attended school before, and then I say no. It only appears if this question is yes, and then I close that down and then I save. You see, and then I just bring this down. So if we preview this form again, you would see that the skip logic now will be active. Okay, so if I come here now and I say yes, now this one appears. You see, if I say no, it doesn't appear. So this is how we can just arrange some things and adjust. But this was, it got this right. You can select many, and they say would you like to receive school supplies? It says I don't know. It says no. It says yes. So all this was generated by AI without me. Okay, how old are you? And then here we can also give a constraint. We can also say okay, there's a particular number of age that you have to give, because it says from 0 to 120. So if we give 130, it will show error. You say please enter the valid age between 0 to 120. Okay, I will show you the constraint. This is why we have that concern, because it already created us that constraint. Let me show you. Perfect. So in our survey here, this is the constraint in terms of age. So it says age, how old are you? So then under this constraint, it must be age must be greater or equals to 0, and the same age must be less than or equals to 120. If this condition is not met, then we'll get please enter a valid age between 0 to 20. That is why you saw that. So you have a constraint and you have the constraint messages. Okay, this is very important for you to know. Okay, I don't want us to go deep into this form. I just wanted to show you how AI is assisting us to do our work. Stay blessed.